Alright, Internet, get ready for the ultimate showdown. Today, our bravest feline explorer is taking on his greatest challenge yet. The mysterious, the terrifying, the mini waterfall. Will he conquer it, or will he get a little wet? Look at that intense stare. He's sizing up the enemy. Is it a monster? Is it just ... water? The paws are out, ready for the first contact. He's inching closer, curiosity mixed with a healthy dose of catspiration. He taps it once. Whoa, it splashed back. Retreat, retreat. Okay, round 2. Battle mode is fully activated. He's swatting, he's splashing, he's giving it everything he's got. Is he winning? I think he's winning. The waterfall doesn't stand a chance against this fierce, fluffy warrior. He's the king of the backyard, the conqueror of the stream. What a brave little guy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic cat adventures. Thanks for watching.